Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Nanotech. Today we are going to discuss how we can develop a fruit basket. So let's start with this. This is our initial interface of CREO Parametric 9.0. So first we need to go to the new, then we will go to part and then sheet metal. So we will use the default template. So I will press OK. So this is our working environment. So first I need to go to the planner. Then I will select the front datum. Okay, this is it. Now we need to go to the ellipse command first, choose center and then the sides and this one. Okay, so now I need to put the dimensions here. So the width I will keep it as 8 and this one I will keep it 5. So now I will press OK. So here the thickness I will keep it 0.1 and then I will click OK. So this is our plate. This is actually the base of the fruit basket and this is done. So now we need to go to the flange. Okay, let me change the appearance to shading and then I will go to the flange and then I will choose this surface and then I will click the shift button and I will select this one. So now this is done. Okay, now I have to go to the shape here and I will go to sketch. From here I will select sketch. So this is my sketch environment. This angle I would like to maintain it at 65 degree, sorry. And this dimension I will delete at the moment. Okay. So now I need a 3-point arc here to make the curved surface something like this. And then I will press escape. Okay, so now I need to go to the vertical command and I will make this point and this side as vertical to each other. Okay, so the angle is fixed. Now there is one more dimension from this point to this point. Okay, so this dimension I will keep it 3.35. Okay. Okay, so one more thing is remaining, this radius. This one I will keep it 0.3. Okay, so I will press OK. Okay. Okay, so this is the basket shape which is produced now and it looks good. Okay, so now we will unbend it. For unbending, we need to go to the unbend and then we will press OK. So this is our unbent surface of. Okay, so now we will go for the extrude cut. So I will click here and then I will select this surface. Okay, so first I need to draw a line here like this and I will give it dimension of 4.4 here. And this one I will give dimension of 2.8. Okay, so now I need to draw some circles here. Mm, okay, so I will choose this circle. So I will click here, something like this, then another circle, then the third one. Okay, then the third one, and then the last one. Okay, so now I need to maintain their diameters. So this one I will keep at 0.75. This one I will keep it 0.6. This one I will keep 0.45. Okay. This one 0.45, and the last one 0.3. Now I need to maintain the intermediate distances from this point to this point, from this point to this point, from this point to this point. Okay, so this one I will maintain at 0.9, this one at 0.8, and the last one at 0.3. Okay, so this one at 0.6. Okay, so now this looks fine. Now I need to convert the center line as for construction, and then I will press OK. Okay, so this is done. Then I will click OK here. So that part is extruded now. Okay. Okay, so the holes are created now like this. So now we will go for the pattern. So from here we will be selecting the curve, and this will be our, here I will click sketch, and then I will select this one and I will click sketch. So now I'm in the sketch mode. Okay, now we need to see if our datums are on. Okay, so all are on. Now we need to make an ellipse here. So I will choose this one. So we will make it something like this. Okay, so now we need to make the reference. So we will go to the reference, and then we will select this point, and we will make 1 point. Now we need to make another sketch point somewhere here. Now we need to make one more sketch point here, and one here. Now we need to take the dimension from here to here. So this one we will consider as reference dimension. So same dimension you will maintain here from this point to this point, which is 1.91. Okay, so now we will click OK. Okay. So here we will go to number of members. So members we will change to 25 and we will click OK. So now you can see the holes are already made here. So now we will switch off the datums here and we will go to the round here. So here we will right click, OK. Okay. So the round we will maintain as 0.05. Okay. Now we will click OK. So now we will go to pattern. Okay. So we will select the reference pattern. So I will click OK. Okay. So now all these rounds are patterned and they are rounded off. Okay, so that's all. Now the holes are all created. Now I need to go for one more round. So I will go here, here. So from here, I will select this surface. This surface. And this one. So here we will get the full round and I will click OK. So now this is all complete round and we will go for bend back. This one. So I will click OK here. Okay. So this one I will delete. Okay, so the fruit basket is ready now. You can see it. Okay, so we will select the appearance here, view, appearance, and we will try different colors. Let's try the red one, this one, and okay. Okay, so this looks nice. Let's try any other color. Yellow. Okay, this looks also good. Let me select it again and we will try any other thing. This one. Okay, this looks fine, but I think the red one is better. Okay, this looks better, so we will keep this one, and we can still change the shadings from here with reflections. This is nice. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.